Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help walk you through the Mental Health Evaluation Assessment. What is a mental health evaluation? A mental health evaluation is conducted by healthcare professionals to evaluate an individual's emotional and psychological well-being. It is a structured process that gathers essential information about a person's mental health history, current symptoms, and relevant psychosocial factors. During a mental health evaluation, healthcare professionals utilize various techniques such as interviews, standardized assessments, and behavioral observations to comprehensively understand the individual's mental state. The assessment covers mood, cognition, perception, and social functioning, providing valuable insights into their mental health. The primary goal of this evaluation is to diagnose mental health conditions and present personalized treatment plans accurately. As a result, it is used for a multitude of disorders, including anxiety and depression. Counselors and therapists can make more informed decisions regarding diagnosis and treatment planning, as well as check-ins with patients more regularly. Specifically, this evaluation covers the following: patient information that outlines the patient's name, age, gender, date of birth, and contact information, chief complaint or reason for evaluation, medical history, psychiatric history, presenting symptoms, psychosocial history, substance use history, mental status examination, diagnosis and differential diagnosis, treatment recommendations, follow-up plan, and confidentiality and consent. As a result, it is commonly used by psychiatrists, psychologists, and more. Here's how to use a mental health evaluation. The first step is to fill in the patient information at the top. You'll then need to fill out each section with sufficient detail. To view a sample assessment of the mental health evaluation, feel free to check out carepatron.com where you can download and access it for free. You can also access the evaluation through the Carepatron platform. Simply type in the keywords and edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.